Malolo malia ho e ki mulele e tonga hono kotonga fia ke talitali ki motolo ke o mo uniongo ngo mele tio ke o maafo ke television e tonga ki he hawani. Wakai ko ya ki he ngahi ulu yongongo. O ke minister e potunga e tanak panga ho mai mo kastomo ai to utupu ai mahu inga ke nau mahi noi ai ngā oi whatuhau koe o hike kahau. Amanaki ke hike koloa lolo i he wikeni o kamatanga ake to tong fo o i he aho whalai te. Pea ha e lea e tamatu i King Tupo Wono ai o pe o wau tanak to unga ai University Pacific Tonga waa i Vanuatu i he ahoni. E to ia e pe me ngahi talanoa ke ana yangi whakataha me wakai ki he whamumitaha me he mala e oi sipoti ka koe wakailiwa e ni ke Moimoi pe whaiki ki ko ia o talanoa whalotofonua ko a sonorita tui vai. I e tawa mai ko e ni ke wha o singa mahina ko e peleli. Ko whakaha e ni mei he watoka ngai kina o i consumer, ai toi hiki e te tongkoloa lolo ki he mahina ko me. Li te atau kapo me whakaiki ki talanoa ko ia ki he hawani.
I he ongongo tuku atu me potunga o e whakatau aki me langa whakalakalaka whaka-ekonomika, o kai a hiki ai to tong whamo vete ki Tongatapu ni, ai au ko hiki e to tong pensini a ki e se niti e ua nima, o aloha ki aimi e pānga e tolu se ni te whitu noa ki he lita, o pānga e tolu se ni te hiwa nima ki he lita. O ko hiki hake ai kalasini a ki e se ni te ua noa me he paanga e tolu se ni te ono nima ki e paanga e tolu se ni te e walo nima ki he lita. Pea ko hiki hake e ti solo a ke se ni te tā nima me he paanga e whā se ni te whā nima ki he lita, ki he paanga e whā se ni te ono noa ki he lita. Ko ngai totongia ki Tongatapu, ka o ko mahino ko toi ki mama whange ki ngai tūku i motu ki toke lau mo e wā. Ko malunga taha e totong koe ni, ko totongi e ti solo ki he wahe whanua niwa fo ou, aia o ko paanga ia e nima se ni te e nima noa ki he lita. O ko kamatanga o ake i pēa ngahi totong fo o koe ni i he aho uluaki o me, aia koe whalai tea a pongpongi. Mai o ngonga le te o me television e tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Ko e tautupu, ko iwi mālohi ke poupou i ai talangofua ki he lao ma atonga kaukaua mo malu. Ko ka weinga ia kune te tāki ake konwhelenese ai potungao e tanak pangahu mai i he ahoni pēa mo e tautupu oi whanua. Nei mea minister e potunga i tanak pangahu mai 17 to umoua o whailonga i ai kamata e konwhelenese potunga we pēa mo e tautupu i he pongponge ahoni i he whalewhataha anga wha o ne lua. I he mea a minister e potunga i tanak pangahu mai me kastomo 17 to umoua nane pehe ko e tau mua polokalamani ke whakatahataha i mai tautupu e whanua ke whaihatalatala noa mahina mo ki nau tolu o whikau aki mo i ngau e whatuku hau o whahoko i he whanua. O ko tui e potunga aue o kulelei ki a ko i he lotonga ne whanau to utupu o whikau aki mo e tuku hau o whanua. Ai whaunga ahano tānaki, tau mua ahano tānaki mo e aonga ai paanga tānaki ki he whanua. Ko e uhi, ko e lelei e kaha u he ko ki nau tolu, te nau whakahoko ai ngā aue ma ai poreanga i he kaha u.
Koe whakatahan, mau inga. E koe fuafua whakataha en, kua whakatu o he potunga aue, i e whakaukau, ko e hakau e ahoni, whanua ia a pongpong. Ko e hakau e ahoni, ko ki nau tōruia te nau hoko ki e ngahi matawai, ki e whakalakalaka tu uloa o e a pongpongi. Ko e kuhiri, nei tokanga pēr potunga aue ke whakahoko e ngahi ako ko e ni, ki e ngahi whakatahaan, tau bu aia ka tek nau tōru ko osfuatuha nau business. Ka koe ahoni, te tau wako i e tau tupu, whanau tupu e whanuani. Ku hui ko ki nau tolu, amanak ke whotu hanau ngahi businessi, ke nau mahi noi, a mea koe tu hau. Kau ai tu hau, i e pāngalahi, tāna ke whanuani ki on whārere.
Nei uki e he tokon pule lahi wa a tuku hau lalahi tani la sila ai tau tupu, ai mahu inga e nau kau atu ki he konwhelenisi ko e ni, ka uhi ko ki nau tolu ai iwi mālohi oi whanua.
Ke whai ahono taula mai, whai ahono whakaivia, whai ahono whakahino i a e tau whanau o hange ko e kaweinga o e ki ako e aho ko eni, he ko e tautupu ko iri mālohi ia o e whanua. Pe hange ko e taulama ku tau whanongo ki ai, ko e tau mua ia a e potunga awe, ke ave e nau falala ki he toutupu o e whanua. Ko uia ko ki nau tolu ia ka hau o e whanua. Ko nau mahi no iange ai ngā he whatongia e potunga awe he ahoni, nau whekuki moia, nau talanoai, he ko nau whanua en, ko mou whanua en, ko mou paanga en, ko mou tui, ko tau kakai, ko tau kere kere. Tau mau ingaia ke mua ngā mahi no i kei taimi, ke mou sio ki ai ke kakahau, ke no lalanga kakahau whalalaanga, mātu unga i o mou mahi no i ai ngā whatongia e pure a ngā tau tau whita ki he potu ngā ue.
Kai ke aho taha pia konfilinisti ko e ni ai o kawat ke whanau wako i hako maalu ngange pe ke tautopu ko oswhatuu e nau businessi.
Ko tukhau mo kastomu o i kai ko hapaanga pe ke totongi. Ka koi whakawae eni o hatupu whakalakalaka o hawhanua. I he tau kau whakataha, te tau langa ka hau o tau wongo i na a te kau he lau, pe a te lau he kau. Ke tau tai mua, ke tau whakahoko whakataha haliliu i he tai mini moi ka hau.
O ku kakato he ahone polokalama o he whakataha whamaman lahi ka kai whewhine pe ko iloa ko Women Deliver. Ai nei tāke atu he minista e potu ngau i ngahi ngau whalatu whanua, whani fitu wafe, hai kulupu toko ua fultupu mi tongani, ka wai e kau whafufonga me ngahi potu ngau e puri anga, kai pehewe whoki ke ngahi kau taha i kai whapuri anga, mo kau hoa ngau e i tongani.
Ko e whakataha whamaman lahi koe ni, o ku kawat kia e kau taki me kau matao tau, me ngai tapa ke kehe o mamani. Ko e tau mua ke whakataha taha e ka kai whewhine me kau taki toko lahi i mamani, ke lava o alea i e ngai ka veinga mahu inga ki he ka kai whewhine, mo tau ka ve i ai pe ai wahe tau mo whakamau totonu. Nai mau whenga mali ai e ngonga le te o Tonga ke whakatara noa mo e taha e kau whafofonga me i Tonga ni, ko Adi Miti Pascala. O ne whakahai a ene fia i he ne kaua tō ki he konfelenis koe ni, mo e ngahi lelei ko nea usia i e ngahi polokalamani.
Koe mo ni ka konfelenis koe ni ki a te au koe fofua taimeni ke kau mai ki ai, pe ko fia au pito e whafofonga e kai e whanua, nengo koe ku kau me ke polokalama koe ni, ko honga ia i e pure anga pilitania, e na o mai whenga mali koe ni ka te au kau nauhanga o mai e whenga mali e ke te lava si o koe whonga talanoa ke whahoko whaka e loto whanua ka koe mawahe mai whakatoa pure anga o kui ai e whahai ngā whakaivia ma kehe o te lava o tālai i he konfelenisi koe ni pe kia te au pa mai maho inga e konfelenisi koe ni ko ha o mamata pe au sio he ngahi kakai ke he nau mau e ngahi loto lahi, loto toa. Ke nau tuu hake o talanoa he ngahi isiu o ku mahu inga au pito ke whaihono toka ngai kina hange ko e totono e kakai whewhine pe mo e wahe tau pe mo e whililiwake o ea mo e ngahi tawha aki ke tānoa ki he mo ui lelei o ku ha mahina mai lewa iai o ku iai toka ngai kina tau ke whito ka tau tolu koe kakai whewhine ai mahu inga ke whaihono si ofi u ngā koe kaha u koe ne whanua pe mo e anga halanga whanonga kou tau whanonga ai.
Koe ka kato ko ia e polokalama i aho ni, o ki ai e tui a Ati Miti Pascala, e lava ke ne ngau e ake ngai le soni me ngai tau kei ko ia kone ako me konfelenis koe ni, ke toi toko ni ki e ngau e whakahoko i tongani i he whakalakalakai ai ngahi ngau e ma ai ka kai whewhine. Mā ngonga le te o me televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Koe o hika teo ke whailonga e sentulu iwa o lotu i he mahina kosune. O ku uki ai me he potu ngau e taki mamata ke he kakai o i whanua, ai whakamaa kolo, pe he ke tau he ātakai ke maa koe o hika teo, ai ahia e he kakai tokolahi a tongani i he konfelenisi whamanatua sentulu iwa e lotu, ai seasi ue Siliana. I he mea minista tak mamata se misika ne kamata i wikeni ai a ahia te potu ngāwe ke he ngahi kolo me ngahi poloka e ni ihi na os lesi sita o whafofua ke ngahi apinofuanga e wāwhe tupu. Lo tonga nina ne te pehe o kumahu inga ke whakahaki mamani ko tonga ni koe kakai talitali kakai lelei o whafou i he maa o i ātakai. Ko kamata i ke tukangai kina me ngahi mātanga i loa o i lotu i tongani ko uhiko sentuli ua o i lotu.
Kamata e tau whamakolo koe ni ki he whengai ke le sisita mai ngahi api e te au. Aia koe ngai le sisita koe ngoku o si au taki mai koe ngai poloka e te au tupu. Aia koe poloka e taha koe api e uanima. Aia kou fua atu koe api ene e uafe tupu ke tolu afe tupu. Aia koe ngai whaamiri koe ngahi api o mou kau mai ki he tau whenga koe ia ke whakalaka e tau mo ui ke mae ngahi ātaka e tau nofo ai. He tēne hanga whakatupunga mai ngahi mea lai. Mae tau whakaukau, mae mo tau ngahi rea, mae mo tau ngahi vanga au, mo tau society koe siasi koe kōlok tau nofo ai. Pau kamata mai miha hake i he ahoni, o ko amanaki koe foi campaign whamakolo koe ni, tēne hanga o langaki ai longo mo ui mai e kakai, kuna au kau mai ki he tau ngā ueku.
Kai ke heka ko ngā ene ngā e potu ngā we, ke no whakai ai e kakai e whanua, ke nau mo ui a ke ātakai o ko maa mo ui lelei. Pea nei a whia e tamatu i King Tupo Wono, i he o wau tānak tu unga University Pacific Tonga i Vanuatu, i he ahoni, hiriange e ene tu utai ha e leiki Vanuatu ane awhi. E lipo te kautaha ngongo VP Tigisimi Vanuatu, ne whafofua ke i he toko tolu ngau tupu, ai kau wha osiako me he university ne nau ka watu i he o wau tānak tu unga oi ahoni. Ko tamatu i glolotonga i he lakanga, ko e pule whalanglangi pe chancellor oi university. Uni o ngongo whalatuwhanua ki Hawan te tawa kaile mahen ki e whamuimui taha me i he mala e o sipoti, o ka hili e ni pea mo pia o lie.
I he whetaki ni mai komisoni i whamawhora rea tonga me potu ngā ue ngahi ngā ue whalota whanua pē mia. Malawa i ke whamawhora te mala e sipoti me whiau hi Super Rugby Pacific Manoa ua no. Whamalo ke 8 Minister me tawha hi sipoti ai potu ngā ue i whenga e aki ua whakahoko. Malome tau ki i whilonga ki koe whakaini ki he mala e o e sipoti. Oku teo mawhana ai ongo whanua tupua i he akapulu i uneni he tau whanuani hi whokai pe whoki kolomotua. E hoka te na vei pā ki he ipo i patalo ni he tōna ke wike ni ke pā ke hala no. Kono whapapahu i eni hongo komiti hi re proklama wha televisione e whareni o mahino e hala whanonga ki he tau hono ua e whiauhini ai o ke puke e kolomotua ai ipo o e patalo ni. I he whamatala me he tahi paanga komiti ngapulu e Tongatapu, a koe me mipa i he komiti koe a kolomotu a se te whanau whiwhita, ko maau maari e moe pāre ki hono whaki ki e sempione i tau ni, ai koe tānaki mai a hiri hono kamata i e whiauhi i tau ko o si.
Koe make anga whako whiau he tau ni, he ku mauhiki he tau ni me whaki pe koe pāre koe ipu, o ku huma ngai toko nia moe pāre paanga. Pea ko o si mau, ka tunga koe taimiri o si whapapau i paku o si whaiwhi mai noa ka hifu mkolomotua. Koe katoa koe pare e whoke he whiau koe tim tangata koe tāmanu. Tim whiwhine e whoke e pare koe whiunga poe panga e ni mawhi. Aia koe hau koe tim tangata i nau mai e pare koe ono awhi. Pea tim i rewa koe e whui, anga pe pare koe whawhi. Koe tim whiwhine, koe mālohi te ne mai e tolu awhi. Pea awe wawhi ke tim koe e whui. Ka koe whalakalaka e koe i pataloni he tauni, o koe e mea ofa pare paanga. Ia ko ku hika pia, ku wapipite tauni to ai manga hake e whalakalaka koe le whiau hidi, o ku huu mai mono pare paanga. Kos mahino pe koe pare koe ni, e wahi pe whanau wainga, o haunga pe ka kina tolu. Pe hangai po whamatala na siri, koe tōna geni oskoea pe hokorewa, ke whiau whakalapu a Tongatapu, kamatau i ka hau. Ka koe kamatau koe whiau i pataloni u kamatau kefu i tau i taha koe ni. Toki hoko e na whiau koe he whakalapu, ko tau ia hono wā, i patu mahina pe hoko atu ki e tau hono. Ka koe tungana o e proklama ki tōnaki.
Ro tonga ni koe se niti e tāna ki he matapā, i he pā ki hala no, e whākia ki he kalapo akapulu a hihifo, toko nei begi ngā ua ki hono langa e pā ki akapulu, me he lau si i he whala o a tā. Ka i tēmne tauna e whaha he toko ni CFO e komiti, ka koe me mipa e kalapo akapulu a hihifo, ke re pitala mai, le rei matangi pe he teu atimi, pe me i he tukuhari, i hono pore i hauro tonga, a i kāre o kolomotu a.
O ku koe te tukuhai via e pia, koe kua mahino ke tamai ki mahino ke whai ako, pe mo whanau wainga, ai tūnga kuia e wainga. O koe ke tonu ea ke pehe ke tau hei pe kolo mo tu aia. Ai puho, hata o e fia. O whima uia ke to e nau tole tau kosi, to e ma tole tau. E te mawhia ke malu i ta kwa, o koe ke ilo hata, koe ni tui, koe tu ngai tai mini e piea. O ku whakaamu, pa ko iai a loto i ai whanau, aki ia ai ha, o wakai aki nau tole no wasino he aho kotoa pe, unau loto ake ngau koe no whai. Pau talanoa i pe, ia te ki nau tolu e wainga koe amana ke whakao ko mo teu ko whai ki he ahatokona ki hui ko teu aki i patalon.
Ka ke e tawhimara e timi whiwhine o Kalapuni i taimi taha hoa tā tokona ki pia whawhaho mai rewa i he taulahi ai timi ko ia kolomotu a mohihi fo i he taimi tolu e whiawhi. I he whetaki nima e komisoni whamawhora rea tonga me potunga au e ngahi ngau e whaloto whanua pe mia. Malawa i ke whamawhora te mala e sipoti mo e whiau hi Super Rugby Pacific wanoa ua no. Whamalo ke 8 minista me tawha hi sipoti ai potunga au e i whenga e aki ua whakahoko.
Ko pia o li e ia mo i whamumitaha mei he mala e o e sipoti.
Ko e whamatala ea, i ono tuku mai mei he senta whamatala ea a Tonga i Whaamotu, i he taimi taha ho ata o e ahoni. Ko e whakatokanga ke ngahi wahe whanua. O ku kei tupea whakatokanga hako ke wahe whanua o Haapai, Tongatapu mo e wā. Ko e tuunga o ea, ko alomaria ku toka ki whakatonga hahake o Otutonga, aia tene kei o mai hahawiri o kuangi mālohiange, mō hako me he hahake, mo tonga hahake, ki konga lahi o Otutonga, o a o ke whakaosinga o e wike. Ko e whamatala ea ki he tuapoa pongpongi ki Haapai, Tongatapu mo e wā. Angi mā mālohi ke mālohiange hawiri me he tonga mo tonga hahake, pe angi hako hangahi taimi. Au whia e langi hangahi taimi, pe whakaau ke iai moha uha tu umoto tō holo, malawa ke lolo lahi ki hangahi wheituu hangahi taimi. Ki wawa o meongo niwa, angi iki ke mā mālohi hawiri me he tonga mo tonga hahake, pe hako hangahi taimi. Nahi alomali e pe tuku kehe ha au whia i hangahi taimi, moha uha tu umoto maape. Tu ke tōnaki ki Haapai, Tongatapu mo e wā. Angi mā mālohi ke mālohi ange hawiri me he tonga mo tonga hahake, pe angi hako hangahi taimi. Au whia langi hangahi taimi, moha uha tu umoto tō holo, malawa ki lolo lahi hangahi taimi. Ki he ongo niwa mō wawau, angi iki ke mā mālohi hawiri me he hahake mo tonga hahake, au whia langi hangahi taimi, pe moha uha tu umoto i he wheitu upe ni ihi. Ko e whai mawhana ki Nuku'alofa, ko e maunga taha ki he aho ni ko e te klisosiasi e tolunga furu, pe maunga taha ki he pō ni ko e te klisosiasi e wofulu māua. Ko e whamatala ea ki tahi, whatukanga ki ngahi potu tahi, o ku kei tupe whatukanga hako mo e whale i ke ngahi waka i iki, ke tokanga he o ki tahi ke ngahi potu tahi o Haapai, Tongatapu e wā telekitonga mo telekitoke lau. Ko e whamatala ea ki he tuapoa pongpongi ki he potutahi o Haapai, Tongatapu e ua telekitonga mo telekitoke lau. Angi hawiri me he tonga hahake, mai re tahi hongo fulu ke wanoa ki he hoa, pia hiki hake o au ke mai re tahi e wanima ki he tau noa ki he hoa hangahi taimi. Hou ke hou e tahi o au ke mita e ua ki he tolu. Ki he potutahi o wawa o moiongo ni wā. Angi hawiri me he hahake, mo tonga hahake, mai re tahi hongo fulu ke tā nima, pia hiki hake ke mai re tahi e wanoa. Toka maali e ke hou e tahi, au ke mita e ua. Ko i tū ki tōnaki, ke potutahi o Haapai, Tongatapu e ua telekitonga mo telekitoke lau. Angi hawiri me he tonga hahake, mai re tahi tā nima ki he wanoa ki he hoa, pia hiki hake ki he mai re tahi e wanima ki he tonoa ki he hoa hangahi taimi. Hou e tahi, au ke mita e tolu. Ki he potutahi o ngoni wā mo wawao, wangi hawiri me he hahake, me tonga hahake, mai le tahi hongo fulu ke tā nima ki he hoa, pea hiki hake ki he mai le tahi e wanoa ki he hoa hangahi taimi. Toka maari e ke hou e tahi, au ke mita e ua. Ko e taimi hua mo mamahe tahi ki Nuku'alofa i he ahoni, nei tau maari e i he taimi fitu i he whiawhini, pea e mahatoka i he taimi taha a henghengi. Ko e taimi tō mo hopo e la a mo mahina ki Nuku'alofa, nai hopo e mahina he osmini te fitu me hini mā i he whiawhini, pea toi la a e osmini te tahawalu me he no i he whiawhini. Ko e fuai palo me tahi malai wakapuna fua motu he taimi taha i he hoatani na e miripa e taha fe mā taha ni mā te smaleua pia ko e hauhau ea na besetia e walu ua.
O ko te pe ko whalamu mole ko uhi i kai ke malawa ke toko atu ai whamui taha ko ia o i whakamatala ea i he televisione ka uhi ka ki palopale mawhate ki ni kale. Ka ki mua patau mawai tau te wakaipeheni ki he ngahi ulu i ngongo. O ke minister po tu ngau tanak panga ho mai mo kastomo ai to utupu ai mahu inga ke nau mahi noi ai ngā oe whatuhau koe o hike kahau. Amanake ke hike koloa lolo i he wikeni o kamatangau ake to tong fo o i he aho whalai te. Pe aha e lea he tamatu i king tupo wono ai o pe o wau tanak to unga ai University Pacific Tonga waa i Vanuatu i he ahoni. Pe me ka kato he mo uni o ngongo he lea whatonga me letio ka umaafa ke television ni Tonga ki he hawani me ia whaano na e tonu atu i hana te whale o Tonga hono ke Tonga. Whamalo i te tau ke whi au mai, ka mone.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga News for this Thursday evening, April 30th. Today's top stories. Consumer Affairs announced a rise in fuel prices for the month of May, with petrol set to cost $3.95 per litre. The Ministry of Revenue hosts the first ever National Youth in Tax and Customs Forum. And His Majesty King Dubo VI confers Emalus campus graduates with their degrees at the USB Vanuatu graduation this morning. These and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest from the sports scene and the latest with an update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I am Popua Aho. As we come to the end of April, the Consumer Affairs has announced an increase in fuel prices for the month of May. In a press release from the Ministry of Trade and Economic Development, the Consumer Affairs Division outlined the retail fuel prices for Tongatapu, with the price of petrol rising the most.
Petrol has increased by 25 seniti from 3 paanga and 70 seniti per litre to 3 paanga 95 seniti per litre. Kerosene has gone up by 20 seniti from 3 paanga 65 seniti to 3 paanga 85 seniti per litre. Diesel has increased by 15 seniti from 4 paanga 45 seniti per litre to 4 paanga 60 seniti per litre. These are the prices for Tongatapu, but for the outer islands, these prices are slightly higher. The highest pricing for May is the cost of diesel in Nuku'alofa, which is set at 5 paanga 50 seniti per litre. These new fuel prices come into effect on the first day of May, which is this Friday. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
The Ministry of Revenue and Customs today hosted the first ever National Youth in Tax and Customs Forum, with the Honourable Minister Seventinito Mo'ua officially opening today's conference, which was guided by the theme, Youth Driving Voluntary Compliance for a Stronger, Safe Tonga.
In his keynote address, the Honourable Minister for Revenue and Customs, 17 Mo'ua said the program aims to bring young people together for open discussions about the country tax system. He emphasized the importance of educating youth on how taxes are collected, why they are necessary, and how government revenue supports national development. The minister added that investing in young people's understanding today is vital, as they will be responsible for leading the country in the future. Meanwhile, the Deputy CEO of the larger taxpayer division, Daniela Sila, encouraged youth, saying young people play a key role in shaping the future of government. The one-day conference included secondary students and young entrepreneurs already running their own established businesses.
The Tongan delegation is wrapping up its participation today at the Global Women Deliver Conference in Melbourne, Australia, after joining world leaders and experts to advance gender equality.
More than 20 representatives from Tonga attended the international gathering, led by Minister for Internal Affairs, Fane Fituafe. The delegation included officials from government ministries, non-government organizations, and development partners. The conference brings together voices from across the globe to address key issues affecting women and to push for greater equality and justice. Radio Tonga News spoke with one of the country's representatives, Adi Mitimiti Pascala, who says she is grateful for the opportunity to attend for the knowledge gained through the program. She says the lessons and experiences from the conference will help strengthen ongoing work in Tonga to support the development and empowerment of women. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Nitea Taukapo.
The Ministry of Tourism have begun preparation for the celebrations of the bicentennial anniversary of the arrival of Christianity to Tonga, with a nationwide push to clean up villages and public spaces and promote beautification of the country.
The Ministry of Tourism are continuing their Masani Connect program, urging communities to carry out village clean-ups and maintain a clean and tidy environment, as the ministry expects a large influx of visitors during the celebration set for June to mark the 200 years since Christianity arrival in Tonga. Tourism Minister Honourable Sembisi says ministry teams have already begun visiting registered villages and area this week, covering more than 2,000 locations for their village inspections under the Masani Connect program. He says it is important to present Tonga to the world as a welcoming nation reflected through clean and well-maintained environment. The initiative is a part of the ministry's broader efforts to encourage people to maintain clean and healthy environments. Work is also now underway to prepare and maintain key religious sites around the country ahead of bicentenary celebrations.
And His Majesty King Tupou VI, in his role as Chancellor of the University of the South Pacific, presided over the Emelus campus graduation this morning after arriving in Vanuatu yesterday. Vanuatu Broadcasting and Television Corporation reports that before the graduation ceremony today, His Majesty paid a courtesy visit to the Vanuatu Head of State, His Excellency Nikenike Voroparavu. Over 300 students received their certificates in the Emelus campus graduation today. And that was your local news for tonight. After this break, sports is up next with Pierre Ollier.
Welcome back in sport. The Bedrons Cup will begin this Saturday, with Hifo taking on Kolomotua at Halano Rugby Field. The annual series enters its second year following officials' confirmation of the tournament to Radio and Television Tonga Sports News during a televised program yesterday. Treasurer Stefano Fifita says this year's competition will include prize money for the first time, while last year the winning teams received only the trophy. The men's winner will receive 6,000 pa'anga. The runners-up will receive 4,000. In the women's division, the champions will receive 3,000 pa'anga and runners-up will receive 2,000. The series will be played over 3 matches, and if both teams win 1 game each, a deciding match will be played. Kolomotua are the defending champions after winning both men's matches last year. Meanwhile, Hifo official Kelepi Talamai says his side is ready to challenge for the title. The women's match will be played as the curtain raiser before the men's game at 3 o'clock. The second match will be played during the Tongatapu sub-union competition, which will begin next week. And that's sports news.
That wraps up this hour's news package, but before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Consumer Affairs announced a rise in fuel prices for the month of May, with petrol set to cost $3.95 per litre. The Ministry of Revenue hosts the first ever National Youth in Tax and Customs Forum. And His Majesty King Tupou VI confers Emelus campus graduates with their degrees at the USB Vanuatu graduation this morning. That's your news package for this Thursday evening, April 30th. For more on these stories, you can visit our website at www.tbc.to. Join us again tomorrow for the latest local and sports news and weather updates. Now, for myself and the radio and television Tonga News team, thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.